It was not an entertaining game according to the expectations. But I think now we must adapt to watch football different. Because football is about tactics now.
Correct.
Yeah, it's about answering questions, how you deal with umudao, the way umudao
Yes.
wazangakhona, how you deal with overload Sundowns in the middle of the park, abomkhulise.
Yes.
So I was impressed with the first half, the way we're dealing on Sundowns. Sometimes they say ukuthi system is not the problem. It's profile yama player. I think we put the right profiles in the system here today. Up front with Tupatman no Pili, they try, but Tupatman, it was too much for him. Kuti Mela hold the ball, work hard, yeah, but they try and they use some small chances basis taller. But I was disappointed with the second half. You see ukuthi Sundowns ayikho. Why don't go to Sundowns, and why Mawukhupha Phili don't put the same profile? Because I feel like Uvelepa is a similar type of a player than efana no Phili, but uPhili yena is far better than Uvelepa. But I was believe ukuthi Mawukhupha uPhili mawufaka Uvelepa, and you can eliminate one between Oaks and Ndlovu. Try to put Chislett as 10, because you see now Sundowns is starting to panic. But angifuni ucoach ukhala, because the games are I think we are in a third game for the season, and we are playing against African champions. So Ankali, I think it draw is a fair result today.
It's a fair result overall.
I think it's a fair result, unless we are ambitious, because if we can, like, starting from goalkeeping department, right back, left back, center back, strikers, you can profile our players. Sundowns are far better than
And
us.
you didn't have your natural left back today.
Yeah, I think we have a problem, because this boy Ushinga is injured, Umako is injured, Cross is injured, Udodli, but Kalujima is gonna join TTC to regain his fitness, because he's coming from a long-term injury. So we have a problem there. But we have this boy from ETTC Ungwe side. I don't know, maybe they don't trust him.
Some say this is injured or something. I don't know how true that is. Yeah.
So Naman Kali with Umoti, because Umoti played very well Udila no Mutao, but he made a mistake towards the end of the Upelagwe game. But when you're defending the whole game, you are bound to make a mistake. That's why Abantu Bekalazi Peterson Nankali, we are bound, because I was expecting Guti maybe after 55 minutes, because if first 10 to 15 minutes second half, they right, see observe Sundowns again. Then you see good Sundowns is any threats. Why you don't go to Sundowns? But I'm happy now with the results, and we're still gonna improve. And still, coaches, technical team still new. You need to improve in some of the things. And unfortunately, it's too late for a transfer window, because I believe we need to add more two attackers, because Upili can't drive Kaizer Chiefs alone. Because I know I'm a fans, after 3 months is opinion same boyish. It's gonna be the same thing happened Kabonchanga, so billiard. Same thing happened to players. Now I know if I pick on, but he's not gonna drive Kaizer Chiefs alone. He's not gonna carry Kaizer Chiefs alone. It's the same thing happened Komdu. No, he needs some players around him.
Correct.
I'm feeling sorry for Ugamba Galilepo. I believe if you have Pili, you have Lilep, you have at least some. But I see a different Kaizer Chiefs, and in Bono coach that the more uspa honest as a coach, because I ngimzwile kuma press conference before he came ukuthi even before his season we are not ready to be in a level of Sundowns and Pirates. Even before this game, he say we meet Sundowns early. The moment Uba honest as a coach, you know how to approach games. Because the thing Eyabula Uzwane was not honest. He come to Chiefs, want to play high line against Sundowns, we get about 4. About Kevin Johnson, they were trying to say we are bringing a Kaizer Chiefs way. How can you bring a Kaizer Chiefs way ungena quality? Then it's a better 5-0, 5-1 is Sundowns. But with this the Cruz, it seems like he's an honest coach. He understands the quality anayo. He's not a coach because
and he plays to the strength.
You must not be greedy. Even Uwatu last season, if you can check the first round, second round we league. Uwatu was not greedy. He get a draw against Sundowns. The second game was better like FNP. And the game that song best believe Uwatu, if he can go pound to pound with the Sundowns, something. But Uwatu save his job uthola i-draw ubethe abanye you get league.
Yeah,
even Pitso did that because Sundowns used to struggle against Chiefs. Pitso used to try to frustrate Chiefs play mind games, dirty game, but you know ukuthi other 10 teams were shy. So if Uta Cruz is gonna struggle shy amanye teams, even you check before the end of last season with co-coaching or Yusuf and Carl, they struggle against the Pirates. The Pirates just better 3. Second game, we bring our Bulldogs try to play dirty game. We draw 1-1 and then we go to Pitoli and we do the same thing. And they save their job until the end of the season. Because these games you can be sacked. So you need to come and save your game, your job, and then until you get a quality to face it. Sundowns baba inzima kakhulu, but luckily we get Sundowns in Gabi in issues
and preseason. I mean sorry, not getting enough game time.
And then Masesival, I think maybe in Kali politic, I'm not impressed with teams the way they market Tama games manaya. As I was googling ukuthi who is the marketing director for Sundowns, and then I check this guy is Piri. And then I never saw that guy. At least we know Jessica. Sundowns,
what do you want?
Sundowns, they need to do better to market their team. I think Sundowns, they have resources in Mali. They need to market their brand. Sundowns is the biggest team. It's been there for 56 years. Sundowns was founded 1970. It can't be like Sundowns is Kukuni. Sundowns, they need to market their team the way NH Pirates is Sangakon. You see, Pirates was opening his store today.
Pirates is on another level.
Sundowns got him all. You can't go to Sundowns. I don't know if Ibizwayin is Chlorocop or a village. You can't go to Sundowns. Our nine excitement to go there. Unlike when you go to Naturena. Sundowns supposed to be planning in the next 5 to 10 years to build his own stadium, to expand the brand because they are well known. I saw the page Dortmund is watching this game because of Sundowns. They know the Sundowns. So I need in marketing the teams. They need to, even the Chiefs. I don't know if season is still early. Jessica was quiet with social media, so I think we need to do better. It's supposed to be eBay sold out.
But